Okay, made a little breakfast potatoes here. As you can see, pan is nice and crusty because I was just being lazy. So, I'm gonna show you how to clean this up really quickly. And it's gonna be really, really easy. Amy's cleaning the egg pan over here, which is already mostly clean. So, very simple, straight to the sink. And I'm just gonna use hot water and then one of our little metal scrubber dealies here and some soap. Nice thing about these is that even though they're hot pans, you can still scrub them no problem, or put water on them when they're hot, no problem, because it's not going to hurt the pan at all. So pretty simple. But you just come in here with the scrubber and see how everything scrubs up pretty easy. And it's really nice because it keeps it really easy to clean. So hot soapy water. And the pan looks like brand new, just like that. So how simple it is. This guy works wonders. All you need in your kitchen for stainless steel pans.